Hello everyone, I am Lavanya. Today I am discuss about the introduction of drug safety. Drug safety also is known as a pharmacovigilance. Drug safety is the science and activity related to detection, assisting, understanding and preventing any harmful effect or problem caused by medicines. Medicines are meant to cure disease, but sometimes they can also cure unwanted or harmful reaction. That is drug safety very cure role in protecting patient and improving public health. No medicines is 100% safe. Even after clinical trials, some side effects appear only after the medicines is called used by a large population in the real world. Drug safety important is because it protects the patients from harmful side effects. It is help doctor and compliance identify risk early. It improves the safe use of medicines with the correct dose and warning. It builds trust between people and healthcare system. A strong drug safety system is essentially to make sure that medicines benefits more than they harmful. The adverse drug reactions ADR. This means unwanted or harmful reaction that occurs when medicines is taken at normal doses. Adverse event, any negative events that happen during treatment but it may or not may be caused by the drug. Serious Serious adverse event that lead to death, hospitalization, life threatening conditions, birth defections. Single signal detections find a new or rare safety issue from large amount of data. Drug safety has systematic process, case intakes, collection information from patients, doctors, hospitals, and other sources. These include details about drug, the reaction, and the patient. Second, case process. Entering the details into special safety database such as Argus or Argus. Third one is medical review. Qualified doctors review the case to understand seriousness and check if the drug really caused the reactions. Fourth, reporting to regulator authorities. The processed case in a sent to national health authorities such as US FDA, European Medical Agency, CDSCO in India, who Upasana Monitoring Center. These agencies monitor the safety of thousands of medicines worldwide. Fifth, risk management and prevention. If a new risk is found, actions are taken such as updating warning, changing doses, adding new precautions, sometimes removing the drug from the market. Objective of drug safety. First, monitoring and detect adverse drug reactions, any unwanted harmful effect caused by a medicine. Second, assess the risk versus benefits. Decide whether a drug is safe enough to stay in the market. Third, prevent harm to patient through alert, warning, label, update, or product recalls. Fourth, ensure safe use of medicines by providing a correct dose, con- contraindications, and precautions. Source of drug safety. Our safety teams collect data from doctors, nurses, and hospitals. Second, patient. Third, clinical trials. Fourth, medical literatures. Fifth, social media in some cases. Sixth, regulatory agencies. FDA, EMA, CDSCOP, etc., call center and emails, and market research. Regulatory bodies involved in drug safety: World Health Organization, UMC Global Monitoring, US FDA, European Medicines Agency, Central Drug Standard Control Organization, India, MHR UK. These agencies ensure continuous monitoring of drug safety worldwide. Many medicines have been recalled or updated because drug safety systems detect harmful reactions. For example, some painkillers were withdrawn after report to heart-related side effects. These actions show the importance of monitoring medicines even after they are approved. Drug safety in India. India has a national program called as Pharmacovigilance Program of India. It collects reports of ADRs from hospitals, medical college, and even patients. Anyone can report a reaction through the toll-free helpline 1800 These systems helps make medicines safer or millions of people. Thank you.